Welcome to Repero. This is a quick demo of how the system works. This is the repair index. Here you can find all the repairs in the system with the most recent ones at the top. Here you're able to quickly search and filter repairs. You can also change the order the repairs appear in by clicking the title you want to arrange it by. Let's open up a repair and take a closer look. Up here is the client and the product that this repair belongs to. In the first section of repair, you can enter information about the repair, the description, solution, estimated finish date, status, and photos. You can also use the repair tags to tag this repair with the appropriate tag so you can quickly see the issues and search for them in the repair index. Next section is the materials and hours. Here you can add items from your inventory and add the hours you spent working on this repair. Here you can see that 3 inventory items have been added and 1 hour of labor. Next up is the Notify Client section. You can send customized emails and text messages. And on the other side you have the print section, where you can print invoices, receipts, and a few other things. In this section, you can also print out your custom page, like if you have something specific you want to print out for every repair. You can create a page for this in the settings. Here you also have the signatures and reminders that you can set if you want to remind your client to come back in the future for another checkup or repair. Next is a time tracker that can be good to use if you often underestimate the time a repair takes you. Next section is the comments, which can be very useful for internal communication. For example, if you have many people that are involved in the process, they can leave an update for the next person. Then there are the informational sections starting with the email and SMS logs. And you can see that no messages or emails have been sent for this repair. Finally, you have the status history. From this overview, I can see that this repair is done, but the status is still in progress, so let's change it to ready. Let's take a look at the client index. This is the same as for repairs. You can find all your clients with the most recently created ones at the top, and you can search and filter. Let's open one client up and take a look. This is Sean. I can see that he has one product that he has brought in twice for repair and they're both ready. Another important thing is the inventory. Here's the inventory overview. To add to the inventory, you can either manually add each item or you can upload a CSV file so you can quickly get started. Next, to the control center, your settings. Here you have a lot of options to make Repero better work for you, but for the most part they are optional and you can get started right away. You can add and customize fields, and you can also make fields required if important information is often forgotten, so you will not be able to save if the field is not filled. Here you also have the SMS settings and the customer portal. In the customer portal, you can allow your customers to check their status, which means less time for you and to answer phone calls or emails. You can also allow your customers to send in a repair request directly to the system. That will show up in this tab right here. And down here you have your custom tags and statuses. Product tags, repair tags, and statuses. As well as the inventory groups, where you can group together inventory items so you can add them to a repair in one go. Like if you have a repair that you do often and you use multiple inventory items for that repair, you can save time in the long run to create a group for them. You can also create inventory tags and your custom text messages, emails, and pages.